Your body is full of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Trillions of these tiny microbes, collectively called your microbiome, exist mainly inside your intestines, in your mouth, and on your skin. They're with you from birth. Does that give you the shivers? Well, surprisingly, having all these microbes on your body is a good thing. And while some bacteria and microbes can be harmful, others are extremely important for supporting your health. A healthy balance of these microbes depends on nutrition, immunity, and the health of your brain. I'm 𝗵𝗵𝘁. I'm a lifestyle coach and community leader in holistic health. After 25 years in medical research, I started helping my own clients create a healthy life they love in 2004. If you're new to my channel, now would be a perfect time to subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video with health tips you can use right away. One established characteristic of a healthy gut is the variety or diversity of the microbes. The more diverse your microbial community is, the more resilient it's likely to be. When your gut is loaded with a variety of friendly bacteria, there's less empty space for the bad kind to take up permanent residence. Environment, genetics, and other factors have some influence on your microbiome, but your diet determines what grows best and what microorganisms win the battle for space and for resources. Common modern diets are rich in sugars, saturated fats, and processed food. They also lack fiber. This tends to select for certain bacterial species to dominate your gut. Now, a vegetarian or Mediterranean diet, on the other hand, includes lots of fiber, healthy fats, and is rich in fruit, vegetables, and whole grains. Different species of bacteria are known to predominate in the guts of people who regularly eat this way. The amount of prebiotic fiber, which feeds the microbiome, and probiotic foods, which provide live bacteria, are part of these dietary calculations too. A varied diet rich in fiber and its positive impact on the microbiome is an important piece of the health puzzle. It's just one reason why health professionals emphasize abundant fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains in your daily diet. Since it can be challenging to make rapid changes in your lifestyle and diet, I help my clients get started with small daily actions that add up to significant lifestyle changes. So sign up for a free consultation with me at 𝗵𝗵𝘁. Together, we can make a plan for getting started with the healthy habits that are guaranteed to improve your overall health.